from the Philippines, he has an obsession. And Muhammad, we talked about this so many times, Akhi. Islam is a religion of simplicity. The devil is in the details. So when you come to make wudu, I rub my hands thoroughly and my arms just to make sure that there is no barriers, and my feet. Why don't you make a full ghusl, take a full bath, and repeat it 3 times, just to be safe? This is how Shaytan works. Why would you do anything based on doubt? So when you rubbed your hands and arms and feet, why? What is the reason? You just said, because maybe there is a barrier. Maybe is one of the phrases used to cast doubt from Shaytan. You write this down. Doubts equal maybe, perhaps, I think, I feel, I guess, etc. If you listen to yourself, you will find that you're always using these phrases, and this means immediately that Shaytan is taking over your mind. I'll open another front for Shaytan on his behalf. And I say, why don't you say the Shahada before you make wudu? Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Just in case you may have said something that took you out of the fold of Islam. And repeat this Shahada before you pray. And repeat it before you go to bed. And repeat it as soon as you wake up from bed. Now, I know that you're saying, this sounds logical. No, it's not logical. I'm telling you how Shaytan works. He messes up with your head. By default, you're a Muslim. Why doubt it? Oh, maybe I did something that took me out of the fold of Islam. Maybe, underlined. Perhaps I said something. I feel I may have broken my Islam or violated it, or all of these are doubts. Likewise, when you come to wudu. In wudu, you're obliged to wash your hands, arms, feet. While doing this, you can see if there's a barrier or not. If there's not, then the default that there isn't. Why don't you also check your back in the mirror? Maybe there is some najasa you did not see. How is your prayer going to be valid? We can open so many fronts and venues for Shaytan to mess up more and more with your head. It is you who's doing this. You're inviting Shaytan in. It will never stop until you just draw the line and say, that's it. I'm not listening to you, Shaytan. Talk to the hand. Speak as much as you want. I'm not listening to you anymore. The moment you start dialogue with Shaytan, debating with him, say, no, you got it wrong. There might be, no, there is no barrier. I'm telling you. He opens more and more and more fronts. And this is what we always tell the brothers in counseling sessions. You have to understand how Shaytan works in order to be able to fight it. Without that, he will keep on messing up with your head until he destroys your life.